everybody, this is my dog Oscar. We call him Oski because that's his pet name. He is a Jack Russell. He's 16 years of age and we got him when he was 6 weeks old. This is his best friend Moo that he stole from my daughter because he loved it so much, and he carries Moo wherever he goes. And this is his bed. Very comfy, cozy. Right, we are having our evening walk now. He's just going to the toilet, excuse me. We'll start walking again, and we're going to his favourite park, and he's very happy about that. He's got his special bandana on, which means we're going to the big park, so he knows exactly what park we're going to. And here he is at his favourite park. It's quiet tonight, Oski, isn't it? He's just having a sniff, which he does all the time. Checks out who's been here, leaves his little mark behind. He's just checking around. Where are we going, Oski? Where are we going? Come on, let's go this way. Good boy. Come on. Right, so he is 16 years of age. See if you can work this one out. There's 7 years in dog years, 7 dog years in every 1 year of our years. So, how old is he in our years? Where are you, Oski? There he is. Now we're walking through the wooded bit, and he likes the wooded bit because there's lots of nice smells that he can do and search for things. What can you smell, Oski? Go on, keep walking. Go, Oski. Go on. Oh, it's cold. I wonder if anyone knows which park I'm in. It's quite local. You ready to go home, Oski, now? Oski, you want to go home? Yeah? Come on then, let's go home. Look, he's happy to go home. You know why he's happy to go home? Because he's going to have his dinner. Let's go. Oh, the sun's nice and bright. Oh, where are you? Can't see you. There you are. Where's Alfie? Okay. There's Alfie. He's the neighbour's cat. Up you go. Quick, 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 quick. Yeah. Now it's time for Oscar's favourite part of the day, which is dinner time. And this is chicken and couscous, wheat germ couscous. And then after he's finished his dinner, he gets this, which is his dessert. And I know it's for cats, but he loves them. Anyway, anticipating. You waiting for your dinner, Oski? Do you want your dinner? Come on then. Yum yums. Let's go. Oh, bon appetito. He doesn't like being watched when he eats. Okay. Well, that's the adventures of my little doggy Oski. And I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, bye.